Now let's solve problem J2 in Python. First, we need to process the input. We have the first line as the number of following lines. So number of lines equals to the input reading the line. We need to convert it to an integer. So we have the number of lines, and then we declare an array, and then we need to read in all the lanes. Add the line to the array. Okay, now we have all the lanes. We need to print the characters. So for each line we have an integer and a character. So first, to get the integer and the character, so we need to split the line, and then we declare the new line. So we loop a number of times, and this number is the first element in the line, which is an integer. So here we append to the line of the character. Okay, so after this loop, we should have the new line, which is the number of the character. Now we print this line. Okay, so after this loop, all the lines are processed and printed. Now let's try the program with the samples. Now let's try the sample against the program. Run the program and give the input from the sample. 9 plus 3 dash 12a 2x. Press enter. Now we have the output, which is exactly the output from the sample. So this is the resolution to this problem.